Hi, do you wish your home office could be more like your work office? Well, it can be. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone, and this was the issue my client Ray was facing. He had been working from home for months and will continue to do so. But what was lacking? The fact that his office at home didn't feel like an office. So we scheduled some virtual organizing time and we started discussing the challenges. So this is what it looked like when we first started. So as you can see, he has a home office. He's fortunate in that he does have a space in his finished basement for a home office. Unfortunately, the desk is way too small for all that equipment, and there was a lot of other stuff crammed into this small space. And Ray's a tall guy, so when he sits down at this desk, his legs don't fit under that desk. It's very uncomfortable to sit there all day long. In addition, he kind of treated this space like a dungeon. He went down in the morning and then didn't come up until the end of the day. So some changes were really in order. So what we did is we focused first on the desk. So he needs a larger desk. There's no question about that. And from talking with him, I know that he has a standing desk at work and he loves it. So I found him a standing desk that was within his budget, showed it to him, and he immediately went on Amazon to buy it. So that solved the desk problem, so that now there was plenty of room for the equipment as well as a place to work. In addition, we streamlined the other furniture, so the space was a lot more open and professional looking. Then we tackled the routines. So I told him, I said, look, why don't you focus on scheduling focused work time? Block 25-minute chunks and work on a task, and then get up and walk away. Go upstairs, get some coffee, very much like you were in your regular work office. You take breaks. You need to do that at home as well. Visit with your young daughter for a little bit, then come back and start working again. So he took me up on this, he listened, and he is thrilled. He now has a space where he's very much more efficient and productive, and it's really professional. He loves it. And on top of that, he was really thrilled that I carefully listened to what he was telling me and found a solution that solved his problem. So here's what the aftershot looked like. So as you can see, it was a much needed change. So if you're having challenges with your home office, let's talk. I'll help you find a solution. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone. You can reach me at 917-375-0631. And check out my website under Virtual Organizing Services. You'll see more pictures and Ray's testimonial. Hope to talk to you.